Hey y'all, it's boy Joe. Welcome back to Anomalous Comic Machine. Today we're doing Cup of Burden. Here we go. It's dense, almost impossible to swallow, like drinking liquid stone. Cold, unyielding, and bitter. Liquid stone. That's very oxymoronic. My breath shudders, and a quite hollow ache fills me. Sorry for that. Wait, sorry about that. I've taken on something far too big for me to carry. I know the feeling. I really do. Oh. So this is called a See No Evil Maid. I mean, I get this. I get it. But damn. You don't see anything. There's no evil if you can't see anything. Definitely have lovely lips, I'll say that much. Alright, that is the Cup of Burden. If you enjoy this episode, please stay tuned for the next video. Bye-bye.